Ladies and gentlemen, welcome the showstopper, Lara Dutta! Yes, she is an Indian actress, entrepreneur, and the winner of Miss Universe 2000! Let's welcome the designer of the show, none other than Robert Narim. Yes, he's one of the most prominent face in the world of fashion industry in Manipur. He's been awarded the most inspirational designer in London, youth icon in handloom and textiles, and has done shows in Milan, Italy, Dubai, and many other international destinations. The design has been worn by many Bollywood celebrities as well. Yes, he has a huge contribution in showcasing Manipur fashion all around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, Robert Narim. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our chief guest, the special guest and functional president and the DC of Churchandpur on the stage to felicitate Lara Dutta and Robert Narim. Can we have the chief guest, Sri Y. Khemchand Singh, Honorable MLA, Mahood RD and PR, the special guest, Srimati Nemcha Kipgen, Honorable Minister, DCI, and Minister in Charge, Manipur Sangai Festival at Churchandpur. Also, the functional president, Sri LM Kaute, MLA 58 AC Churchandpur. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the choreographer of the show, Seetal Sharma. She's come all the way from Bangalore. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for a renowned choreographer, Seetal Sharma. Can we also have the backstage manager, James? Can we hear a huge cheer for James? Yes, the fabrics are sourced from NKC Handloom Churchandpur and Skilled Traders Senapati. We would also like to acknowledge the stage decor partner Chalkum. Stage design together by Robert Nauriam and Chalkum Weddings. We would also like to felicitate our 3 supermodels that have come all the way from Bombay: Soni Kaur, Deepti Gujral and Sonalika Sahe. Let's make a huge round of applause for our supermodels. They've come all the way from Bombay.